Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Billy Torr here with the 5 pillar of success. Today we're going to be speaking about the 4th pillar. But if you haven't, before we even move forward, if you guys haven't watched the other 3 videos on the first 3 pillars, just stop this video right now, go back, watch the other 3 videos, and then let's continue on the 4th pillar. Because if you just watch this video, you're going to get confused on what the hell I'm talking about. So please watch the videos in order. It's mighty important why you should understand each pillar in order until you reach the 4th video. All right. So stay tuned. Right after the intro, we'll get right into the 4th pillar.
This is my home. They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here. They're gonna need to send in the National Guard of fucking SWAT team, because I ain't going nowhere.
All right, guys. So right into it. The 4th pillar of success is going to be automation. You see, auto. You see that spelling is wrong there. But anywho, automation. So basically, automation, you're automating the system that you're building so you can relieve and free up more time within your business to focus on other aspect of your business, or if you want more time with your family, that's so. So with automation, we're going to go over the number one important thing, which we spoke about in sales. We spoke about in knowing your numbers. Go back to the other videos if you don't know what I'm talking about. If you're watching this video, why the hell are you still watching this video if you haven't watched the first 3? Shame on you. All right. So the first things first on automation is lead generation. Again, guys, I'm a lefty, right? A little sloppy, but you get the program. The caption is going to be in the video. Lead generation. All right. Lead generation, you can automate. When we first spoke about lead generation in the other pillars, that's more organic. And you're organically collecting leads, you're organically collecting phone numbers. But there's a way where you could automate collecting leads, collecting phone numbers using landing pages. All right. So how do you create a landing page, an opt-in page? If you have an ebook, we'll show you how to create your own ebook based off whatever problem you're solving, based off whatever niche you're in our masterclass. So make sure you click the description in the link below to join our masterclass. But creating a landing page to collect the email, phone number. So instead of having conversation, hey, you know what? You know what's going to solve your problem? I'm going to send you a link. Let me get your phone number. And in the link is going to be a video, an ebook, and everything you need to know about how we could solve your problem. And just make sure you put your email, brother. And when you put your email, you're going to constantly get emails to help you with your problem until you feel that you could trust me and hire me. How about that? Great. All right. So here's the link. Bada bing, bada boom. So that's the landing page for lead generation. All right. So now when they click on the landing page, opt-in page, there's so many terms for it. But the whole point of a landing page is to collect the person's information, the client avatar. So when they click on that, what's going to happen is they're going to opt in, putting in their email and phone number, and that's going to go into our next step about automation, email automation. All right. What is email automation? Basically, email automation is when you have a sequence of email going over each objection and rejection that we went over in number 2 pillar, which is sales. Okay, guys. So if you haven't watched that video, still, why you here? Why you here? All right. So email automation. So we're gonna give them testimonies of actual clients for the problem you solve. You're gonna give them emails about the reason they need to hire you based off their objections and rejections, all that stuff. So you can nurture them without wasting the time of constantly having the same conversation with every client. So you want to save time. So that's what email automation. You're tackling every corner of your problem that you're solving, and what sets you apart from your competitor, and why they should hire you. All right. The next up with after email automation is SMS automation. Some of you guys who've opted into my email I'll get that afterwards. Opted into my emails. You're probably already receiving emails and text message. The first step I do is email, and within the email, I collect your phone number. If it's something personal, that's the first thing I'm gonna collect as a personal. If it's face to face in person, first thing I'm gonna do is collect the phone numbers. And then after that, I'll collect your email. But if it's online, I collect your email first, then grab your phone number second. Sometimes in the same landing page, I'll collect your email and phone number depending what I'm offering. So that's part of automation. What I email and SMS automation, they're the same thing. Same thing. One is a short form, one is a long form, like when we went on digital content. So that's the first pillar. Short form and long form. And guys, you want to learn how to make videos of what you solving a problem and transcribe those videos into emails and SMS automation and what platform to use to do so, you better click on the masterclass below. The link is in the description. So we go over each pillar by details, what platforms you use, how to set up those platforms, how to use, I'm moving ahead of myself, but I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of the next pillar, how to use AI. Woo! That's a sneak peek on the next pillar. That's the most important part to help ease the work for you. All right, guys. So that's SMS automation. And the next one on the list, which is going to work with AI, that's why I had to tell you guys, is chatbot. Now, a chatbot could be put on your website. A chatbot could be put on your social media. A chatbot could be used for a lot of different places. A chatbot could be used for your SMS automation. A chatbot could be used for your email automation. All right, guys? The chatbot could be used for your lead generation. The chatbot does exactly what it is. It's a robot that has a conversation for you. And when we move into the next pillar, stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notification on. You'll understand how powerful a chatbot really is. So that's pretty much it for the fourth pillar of success, automation. Guys, I'm going to keep saying it again because I have testimonies, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to have a video for you guys for the testimony of successful entrepreneurs that I helped in the past using our proven system. All right, so make sure you click the link in the description. Masterclass, the Torrpreneur Masterclass on how we're going to help you build your mental freedom, financial freedom, and time freedom. There's a whole proven system. You can get it done in 90 days and watch the magic happen. All right, guys, so make sure you click on the link below. Get that going. Follow me on all social media. Everything's on the description. All right, and that's it for the fourth pillar. Stay tuned for the last pillar, the fifth pillar. And you already know what it is, artificial intelligence, but we're going to get into details on it. All right, guys. Love you guys. Billy Torr out.
I'm the champ. Ay, I built the brand from the dirt like the champ. I'm about to show the people what I'm worth like the champ. Ay.